Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Few months back, we have seen the Maina-Curtorim incident where 5 boys from the age of 17 to 19 were illegally detained in Maina-Curtorim police station, were assaulted and kept overnight. They were not only brutally assaulted but even sexually assaulted in the police station. This case was then taken suo motu by the Human Rights Commission, Goa Human Rights Commission. Today an order is passed by the commission stating that there is a finding found where the 5 boys, including one victim, was kept illegally in Maina-Curtorim police station barrack. Maina-Curtorim police station does not have a lockup, but these 5 boys were kept in the police barrack in the police station. They were kept overnight without an FIR, without a station diary entry or any legal authority inside the police station barrack, and were assaulted physically and sexually. They have even found the medical reports which says that bruises and swelling were found on the 5 boys. Now, a Human Rights Commission has passed an order where the 5 boys will be compensated 20,000 each by the department, by the police department itself, and a report seeking the disciplinary action against the police will be sought. Let this case now be an example that any kind of atrocity, any kind of assault, may it be verbal, physical, will not be tolerated. Let this be an example that tomorrow, if anything happens to any woman, any child, any man, let it be physical or a verbal or a sexual assault, people have to come up, people have to stand, and people have to file a complaint, because this is not accepted by law and this is an illegal act done by the police station.